Hello everyone, so today I'm going to finally draw the winner for the Shabby Fairy wands, and if you watched till the end of the video, I had a hidden giveaway and you were to pick your favorite wand, and I went by you telling me which color of bow you like the best, and that would be the wand that you would get. So this was the blue bow, this was the pink bow, and this one was the white one. I think the majority went with this one, and I have to tell you, this is my favorite. I absolutely love the way this one looks. I think because it has the two rosettes, so it has like a lot more dimension. But don't get me wrong, I do like the other two as well. And then the second favorite, I believe, was this one. A lot of people seem to like the color lavender, and I was really surprised about that. And you know that it is very hard to find really pretty lavender paper. I know Prima has the lavender paper, and that one is beautiful. And also, I just saw a paper pad from Craftsmith that you can find at Michael's, and that one has like pretty lavender and soft pinks. Anyways, okay. So I have already uploaded the link onto my screen, as you can see here. And yeah, so let's pick the winner. So you know what you will win. Like I said, you'll win one of the wands, plus these two set of dies, plus this envelope. All right. Again, if you answer the question, you will be obviously you had one of the rules was you had to pick one. Which one was your favorite? Sorry, you guys, my head is somewhere else. Because you know it was a hidden giveaway. All right, so I'm going to click start, and good luck to everyone. So let's see who the lucky winner is, and that is Kim Smiley. I hope I'm saying it right. These are absolutely gorgeous. I have such a hard time with layers. I would love any of them, but the one with the white bow is my favorite, which is this one. All right, Kim, if you can please email me. I will have my email in the description box, so you can email me. Or there is a new feature here on YouTube that I just found out today, and today is Friday. Actually, I found out about it yesterday, I think. It is called, it's like messages, like private message. So if you're able to do that, then please private message me. If not, then just email me. I will have my email in the description box. I need your address so that I can send this prize package out to you. Everyone else, thank you so much for watching. Check out the tutorial. I have one on how I made these. So in case you're interested, you can make your own. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, everyone.